What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for watching yet another video with me today. As you can see by the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an install of some interior pieces for my vehicle, some carbon fiber pieces. As you guys may know, I love carbon fiber and I'm really excited to continue to add more carbon fiber to my car. So yeah, today we're going to be installing some pieces on my steering wheel. I'm really excited for these. I've wanted these for a very long time now. I want a steering wheel that's carbon fiber as well, which should be coming soon. But for the time being, I think this would be a nice carbon fiber touch to the car. So without further ado, I'll get into the video and I'll show you guys what we're installing today. But before I show you guys what we're installing today, if you could do me a huge favor, like this video, comment below if you have any suggestions for me for future videos. I really do enjoy making videos like this. If you guys enjoy my videos, please make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. I'll continue to make more videos moving forward. I really like my car, huge passion for my car. I love the STI. I love the crystal white pearl color on it. I think carbon fiber touches go very nicely on it. So I'm going to continue to add more and more carbon fiber to it. Really bad, expensive addiction, but I love it, and you know, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a like. Comment below if you have any suggestions for me for future videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future videos. I plan to make more and more videos. If you're not following my Instagram, please be sure to watch that as well. I make daily posts on there and I post more frequently than I do on YouTube as well. So my actual Instagram handle is Wrxstidima. Thank you so much for watching. I won't babble anymore and I'll show you guys what we're installing today. As I had mentioned, we're adding some carbon fiber bits and pieces to the interior of my vehicle. This is for the steering wheel. I plan to get a carbon fiber steering wheel as well in the future, but figured this would be a nice first carbon fiber touch to the interior of my vehicle. If you guys are interested in purchasing something similar to this, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below. This is from WX Daily. If you're interested in purchasing something similar to this. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. You guys may know I love carbon fiber, so that's the bottom piece of the steering wheel. Then this. Now you will have to get some 3M tape in order to get those on. I believe the top portions actually kind of clip in without it, but I definitely will use some 3M tape in order to secure it properly. But wow, that's beautiful, guys. Here, I'll show you in better lighting the bottom piece of it. Look at that, that is beautiful. I'll show you the other piece as well, top pieces. This is for the left side of the steering wheel. It looks so nice, it's so perfect. Can't wait to get these in. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. There's the left side. And then we have the right piece of the steering wheel. Wow, that looks amazing, look at that. I'm addicted to carbon fiber, as you can tell. Looks amazing, wow. All right, so now that I showed you guys what we're gonna be installing today, I figure we go ahead outside, check them out on the car, you know, do some pictures and some videos before we install them, then afterwards, and just compare them side by side before and after. So yeah, let's go outside and check them out. Dun-dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun. Alright guys, so this is going to be installing today. We're going to be installing carbon fiber piece that goes on here, carbon fiber piece that goes around here, and one that goes down here. Really love the look of this one. I think I'm going to install this bottom one just for video purposes. I'm not going to 3M tape it on. I really like the look of this one versus the carbon fiber one. I think I might actually get rid of the bottom one just because, the carbon fiber piece. I'm not going to put the carbon fiber piece on. I'm not going to stick that one on because I think I'm going to get rid of it. If you guys are interested in purchasing the bottom piece, be sure to reach out to me, DM me in my DMs on Instagram, Wrxstidima. If you're interested in purchasing that piece from me, we could talk about it. I'm really, interested in getting rid of it. I think it looks great, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, but I really think it's a little too much carbon fiber for me, especially when I get a carbon fiber steering wheel. I think it'll be a little bit too much, and I really like the look of the engraved STI logo down here, so I think this one's here to stay. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is what the steering wheel looks like currently, and here is what it looks like with the top pieces only, and this is what it looks like with just the top pieces of carbon fiber. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that. Such a nice touch of carbon fiber, especially with the carbon fiber that we have here on the 15 through 17 years. I think it goes very nicely. And the carbon fiber piece over here. And obviously the center piece over here as well. yeah, so this is what it looks like with just the top carbon fiber pieces, and then I'll show you what it looks like with all 3 pieces. So here's what it looks like now, and then, alright guys, so this is what it looks like with all 3 carbon fiber pieces on there. I think it looks amazing, especially with all the carbon fiber on the car. I know these are fake carbon fiber pieces that the 15 through 17 years come with, but I really like how it looks like, especially with that one. And then also that little piece right there. I think these 2 or 3 pieces of carbon fiber bits go very nicely with it. But I will say one thing, I do plan to take this part off. I will not 3M tape the bottom piece on. I prefer this one. I think it's because I bought this one. It's an OEM piece. It's a pretty expensive piece, and I really like the look of the black and red, especially with the engraving of the STI logo. I think if I had a WRX, I'd probably get this, just because I don't think the WRXs have an engraving here. So I plan to take this piece off and just kind of run it this way. I also think if I included this piece on there, and once I get a carbon fiber steering wheel, it'll be too much carbon fiber for me personally, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this piece off. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate every single one of you that takes the time to watch my videos. I love making videos like this. I love taking pictures of my car. Huge passion for cars. I love my STI, and I plan to make more and more videos as I add more modifications and little bits and pieces to my car. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you and your families are doing well through these times. Hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe and happy. Happiness is very important. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are all the best. See you guys in the next one.